Hi, my name is Gabriela from Tulip Art Designs, and you are absolutely welcome or welcome back on my creative channel. Here I am showing you watercolor sketching ideas, and today is day 4 of our ink and watercolor advent calendar, and I am so happy that I decided to organize this series of videos. So let's see, what do we have? So let's see what's for today. Yes, we have the pine and the red berries. I love this combination. I love the combination of colors and I love the combination of elements. So let's just start. Okay, so these were day 1 and day 2. I definitely enjoyed them a lot. We had the cinnamon sticks for day 3, and let's just do our pine and the red berries. Okay, so let me just start. Today we are doing first the watercolor and then adding some ink lines. I really like this idea. So let's grab some green. I have a mixture of my golden green and hooker's green here, and I will use a bit transparent green, and I will make a like diagonal line, and then I will make tiny brush strokes, and I will use only the tip of my brush. Here in the beginning, on this side, on the bottom, we can make longer ones, and here on the end we can make them a little bit shorter. And today I want to challenge you to let perfection go, and we are going to use wet in wet technique, and we are going to add the berries while our first layer of the pine is still wet. Okay, so I am adding a bit darker greens right now. I will pick more concentrated green. I am using just hooker's green, and I will add it on top of the first layer while it's still wet. Okay, sometimes I have longer ones and sometimes shorter. Alright, and I just want to add a few berries here. I will pick very concentrated red, and I will make one circle. I will slightly touch my pine like this. I will wash my brush, wipe it on the side, and with more transparent red I will add another circle and then another one here. I will let the colors bleed. A bit more red, you can just add and make a group of berries just like this. Okay, maybe one more here. Let me just look from above. Let's grab again a little bit of green and add one more here, but then a smaller one. Again, making tiny brush strokes with the tip of our brush, picking some darker, and you can see how the red just bleeds and they mix together like this. a little bit of red again, and I want to add one circle over here and one, two here. We'll pick more paint to just make a few splatters. Just like this. I will use green to write day 4. I have some splatters here, so let's see if I will. No, I didn't go to the splatter, that's okay. Day 4. Okay. I will make this dry and add a few lines to my sketch. Okay, now that this is dry, I will grab my fine liner. I will add one line in the middle of my pine, a few long lines just in the same direction of my brush strokes, just like this. One more here through the middle, and again a few lines just parallel to the brush strokes. Then I will make a sketchy circle and add a few scribbles. So now you can definitely say that these are red berries. Sometimes we have this on the side and here, and sometimes we have it here. I'm really scribbling. And I use this white spot that I am just sketching around. And then one more, and this one. If you want, you can go back again and add a little bit of second outline. I'm just enjoying so much this process. Sometimes I forget to talk. Okay, maybe a few more like this. Okay, how many lines you will add is, there's not a rule for this. It's really how you feel about it. If you need a bit more details, just add them, and if you like it more simple and sketchy, keep it like this. And because now this is a bit darker, I will use my white jelly roll pen to add a few detail lines just next to the dark lines, and I am adding these white lines where I have the darkest parts of my watercolor, so it brings like a highlight, just like this, and then also a few for the berries. It's really just a few small touches. We are not really drawing the whole thing again. Okay, I think that's it for today. I hope you liked this video and I hope you enjoyed it so much. Please consider subscribing for my channel so you will not miss any other video. Check out my Patreon for more exclusive content, for the early access and the templates, the outlines that can get you started way easier. I will see you tomorrow for day 5 of our ink and watercolor advent calendar. Bye!